May pasok na bukas eh, kaya chore. Sige, sige. I-push na. Hindi na naman tayo makapag ano kay Jelana. Stop touching it.
We'll take it off. No, because we can't. That's too high. We can't find any more square.
Not too high.
No more square. Oh, Timmy, there's an X there.
Yeah. Auntie, dog. Now you have to pick that back.
I put it back already. Give me that.
Do the basketball now.
1, 2, 3.
How many more? How many more were missing?
T. T. Oh, come on.
Where?
What is?
Did you put? Also, we need more magna tiles.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, yeah. Auntie Dong is gonna go to buy more of that. Baka pwede na yun, kahit na 12 hours pa, yung razor blade. Pwede na yun siguro. Charge lang naman yun. Try natin maya-maya.
Lana, give me that. Now here's tea. 2 hours hot.
Oh, oh, oh! Don't, Jelana, don't kick it. Don't, no. Be careful.
Let's take it off first.
Yeah, maybe.
This one.
Yeah. It's hot.
Don't kick it.
Do a cartwheel right by it.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
And then we put the house on top. So first we cover it.
Yeah.
And then you put the square.
Dada, huh?
Go, go, go. Popcorn.
I want to go here.
No, go na! Ah!
Jelana,
I just said,
it's hanging
please.
right there.
Hello, Isa. Yeah, say hi, Isa.
Oh.
Now you can do the square, Jelana. Put a square now.
Here you go, Jelana.
Put a square now. So you have your castle. Put the castle now. Oh! You put the castle now. Ate Dong is putting the castle.
Donna, look. Come look at this one.
And then me, I am baby.
Yeah.
Do dada.
You were in that thing.
Yeah, do dada.
Oh, Jelana, go get the roof now.
Okay.
You know how to do the roof. Remember?
Dad, do pee.
How's your belly?
Dad, do pee.
Okay, go.
Give me that.
Mama.
Mm.
For your
Gusto niya.
your hair.
Yung storbo. No, she wanted. No, no, she wanted. She's holding. She's gonna come back grumpy. Nandiyan na. You wash your hand. Not so much. Okay, put now.
Do another get her.